How to move crypto from Robinhood to stake platform. Hey guys, today I will show you how to move crypto from Robinhood to stake platform. This is actually a very simple process if you pay attention to the details. First, open your stake platform on your phone or computer and log in. Click the wallet icon at the top of your screen, then select deposit. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive. For this example, I'll use USDT. You can select the network type if needed, but for most transfers the default works fine. Click the copy button next to your deposit address to save it. Now open your Robinhood app and tap the crypto tab at the bottom of your screen. Click the search icon at the top and search for the same cryptocurrency you selected in stake, in this case USDT. Make sure it's the exact same cryptocurrency and preferably the same network. Select it from the search results, then scroll down and tap the send button. Enter the amount you want to transfer, then click enter manually. Paste the wallet address you copied from stake into this field. Review everything carefully. This is your last chance to catch any mistakes. Double check both the amount and the wallet address. A single character mistake in the address could mean losing your funds permanently. When everything looks correct, click transfer. The transaction will process, and depending on network conditions, your crypto should arrive in your stake account within minutes. Remember, never send cryptocurrency to an address unless you're 100% certain it's correct for the specific coin you're sending. Please like and subscribe